How to upload HD videos to TikTok without losing quality. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can post HD videos on your TikTok app without losing the quality. So first you have to click this plus sign on the bottom screen and click upload, and then you can just upload any video or you can just record any by holding this middle section of shutter button. Now here you can see that I have added this very video. Now I'm going to click next, and then you can click this more options option over here. Just click this option, and here you have to scroll down until you see this option of allow high quality uploads, and click this and turn it into green. Once this is green, it's going to allow high quality uploads without damaging the quality of your videos you're going to post HD videos. Now I'm going to cross this and click post. But if it's still disturbing your video quality and it's not remaining HD, it's turning blur, you can just always go back. And here you have to go to your profile and click these three lines on the top right corner and click settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll down until you see this option of data saver. Click this option and you have to make sure this is turned off. If this is turned on, it might affect your video quality, so please turn it off. And that's how you upload HD videos to your TikTok without compromising on the video quality. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.